Let me connect my microphone. Microphone, okay. I think voice is clear now. Adjust. Let me just add my thumbnail, and then we'll go for. Okay. Our task today is to okay, fine. So our task is to okay, let's just set up my project environment. Here I have this. Okay, it is in red file. Oh, what just I just do. Okay, let's cancel this, clear this. Okay, that is our project that we are working. Okay, so आज हमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव होना है. सो पहले मैं इसको कर लेते हैं रन नोड ऐप. ओके, इट इज़ वर्किंग. सो लेट अस सी हमारे पास क्या है अभी लोकल होस्ट में. वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ्स. ओके, जब ये चीज़ थोड़ी अच्छी करनी है. ये वाली चीज़ यहाँ पर से ये आइकन हटाने एंड यहाँ पर से ये वाला आइकन हटाना है. एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर आवर फॉर एग्जांपल आवर पॉलिसीज. So I have to set up my policy. So here it is different logo. So what I will do, I'm just not able to go for here logo, because whenever the JavaScript is running for this navigation bar, it is not working. Okay, you can see here, cannot read the properties. I know why it is happening, because it is navigation bar. So whenever I am just clicking it, so due to some element are not present there, and I am just calling some method on those element. So thereby okay, I can just okay, let me just figure it out. I have policies.js. So here I have navigation. So here I have navigation. Okay, I think we have that kind of navigation. So when I'm going for when I'm go for like when I go for what I'm looking for, I'm just looking for views, and there's a policies.ejs. okay, हैव आई इंट्रोड्यू क्या यहाँ पे मैंने नेविगेशन यूज़ कर रखा है. यस, मैंने यहाँ पे पार्शियल नेविगेशन यूज़ कर रखा है. सो आई हैव टू रिमूव दिस. देन आई कैन okay, it's still not working. I have partial.head policies.js. okay, now I do have here scripts and footer js testing. okay, okay. So okay, it is not working because I just go for policies.js. so where is my policies.js? here it is. So whenever I am clicking this event listener, I don't know why it is happening. There is a function e.default limit. Let me just console what it want from us. Function is not working. Okay, I think we are at we have to go for policies, and here we have something like this. But whenever I'm clicking on different policy or cookie policy, it is not working. So let me see. Cannot read the property of null class list. Cannot read the properties of null event listener. I think it is due to toggle has already declared, identify toggle has already declared. So the problem is that toggle signal, that home thing. I have to fix it out. When I'm going for script, when I'm going for scripts, the thing is home.js. It is creating the, no, not home.js, explore.js is creating the issue, I think. When I'm going to run this, okay, still it is not working. Let me have some. Okay, when I'm just going for home page, there is not any problem. When I'm going for explore page, then it is a problem of, okay, then there is a problem of cannot read the properties of reading add event listener. Okay. And when I'm going for policies, okay, the same error is there, cannot read the properties of class links. Testing.js, there's a testing.js. I have to figure out testing.js, but where I have introduced my testing.js, I'm not going for testing. There are just two. Okay, explore.js. When I'm going for EJS file, I think somewhere in my EJS file I have written testing.js. So there's a testing.js. I am just not including it. Sign up. Is there any testing part? No, there is not any testing. Policies, is there testing? Yes. Is there test? Okay. This is the error. This was the error. That is why it was not working. And in my explore page, no testing. Okay, I think it should work now. Okay, okay, this is the problem, as the it is interfering my, okay, I got to know what's the issue here is. So basically, the JavaScript file that I'm going to run on that particular home file, as I have introduced, as I have listed the JavaScript, uh, let this is the scripts, and in the script dot, where is my scripts? If I'm going for scripts, that is in partial scripts, I am including these kind of script, and these JavaScript will be execute on for every pages, but we do not want this. It is executing for all those pages, so that is why this error is coming. For example, in home page, it is reading some event, it is looking for some kind of event listener. Okay, for example, click, then there will be binding of two function on click. So that is why there is a this kind of error. Okay, you can see that there are three files that is creating a same error, or and we have introduced the three files. Okay, or I am at page cookie policy, and all the things that are used in these three files will not be there. That is why it is happening. Okay, if I am remove this kind of scripts, or if I am remove from policy.js scripts, uh, policy.ejs scripts, then you can send it will work fine, it will work fine. Okay, I'm going for policies, and it will work fine. Okay, still it is not working. I don't know why it is not I have to script now. I have to include externally this. I have to include externally, like script source dot slash js slash, what is this? This is policies dot js. Okay, now you can see if I'm going for policies and their refund policy and their cookie policy, now it is working fine. Okay, it is perfectly working. Yes, it is working fine. Method is calling, that was the issue. So I have to either I have to do the, okay, let me uh, error due to combining all JS all respective JS files in script.ejs, and for some pages it is getting issue. Should we have to use JS file? Okay, that is for individual it is common sense, like it is basic things, that if you are using JavaScript code for a particular page, so why are we using it in general or common memory? Okay, uh, individual page, JS file for individual page. uh, how should we have to use? uh, Let us see. My English not too good. Candidate properties may be JavaScript file. So what are but when you open home, explore.js run. This was the same error. This happening because you command all the JS file down. Not to do. Current mistake. This cause JS to execute on average. Correct and scalable solution is layout. Okay, best practice is to load JS per page. And okay. Defensive JS. Defensive JS, we have to click the if else. So why we use okay, then why we use our partials, then scripts.js. It should be for common things, I think. Partial exist all. Partial.ejs is not meant to load all JavaScript blindly. Tutorial process centralize and control script loading due to dump. Not to dump every JS file. Okay, so script manager should contain a global script, navbar logic. Okay, it should contain the global script and conditional page scripts. Conditional page, why not load? Okay, it is obvious. It is obvious because this is JavaScript. You need not to script. Okay, this should be there, but for script, explore should not be there. Remove it from here. Navigation should be there, but home or explore should not be there. So that is why explore, and we have to script there, and we have to remove this home also. Then there will be no any kind of error. I do have home. Now I think will work fine. We have refund, and whenever I go for home, then it is working fine. And if I go for what is explore page, then also it will work fine. This is due to the navigation problem. Okay, it is still not working due to some navigation problem. We will see it later, because I am using the same navigation for here. Now today's goal is to create the profile page and to upload page. Okay, let's just create the profile page first. So we are going for Claude and typing some prompt. Now create a page for profile, like uh, which the user will see as we see channels in YouTube, something like that. There will like profile card along with total followers and kind of total reads and all its posts. HTML, CSS and JS, and make it responsive. Okay, it will work. Till then we can use something. It is this explore page. It is explore page. Whenever you go down, then JavaScript will go for a. Whenever you go down, we will go for. We have to make a client on JavaScript itself. It will reduce the complexity. It is creating. Now we can till then we can solve this explore profile problem. So basically what's going on here is, okay, for navigation bar the JavaScript is not working. Okay, some kind of element is not there. I know some kind of element is not there. That's why it is happening. As we go for home page, then there are some kind of categories we have here, but we do not want those categories on the explore page. Okay, so explore page should be simple. So I have to create this. So go for inspect and just check what are the issue here. Navigation.js, okay, it is an issue. It is reading class list num value. Okay, so the problem is in navigation.js. Okay, we are here navigation.js. There is a problem is I have removed this toggle from the current this I have removed this toggle from the this current explore page, or we can say that we can make a fake toggle. We can fake the fake navigation bar toggle that will basically remove that issue. But okay, we are using flow control. We have navigation menu, we have navigation toggle, navigation bar. If navigation toggle is there, then we are going to add event listener on this navigation toggle. Okay, navigation toggle is that particular thing. What is navigation toggle? Why this is creating an issue? Okay, navigation account drop down, navigation toggle account drop down, hide drop down, so hide on menu. Navigation toggle, what is navigation toggle? Let us see here. I have to use the navigation.ejs also. So when we are going for navigation profile, we have this section, and it is in both. We have navigation profile, navigation account profile, and navigation profile name. We have this kind of stuffs, and we have navigation account drop down, navigation account drop down. Okay, okay, navigation account drop down. So what is navigation toggle? Let us see. If there is a explore page, we are using only these kind of stuff, that is navigation data, navbar data, and there is a navbar data, and we have a logo, and we have a search container. Okay, but when we are going for navbar data, there is a nav toggle, that is navbar toggle menu. Okay, material symbol rounded navigation bar menu. I is navigation toggle bar close. Okay, then we have it is hidden for, like, we can add. Okay, we are adding control C this navigation toggle, and we just add this in the top of our before our navbar data. We are copied and we have used this navbar toggle into this, and just we are creating not any kind of things. Okay, not menu, not class, not the material rounded this, not the material round this. Okay, इसको मैं स्टाइल कर देता हूँ hidden. So there will be style display. लेट्स से इसकी ओपेसिटी 0 कर देते हैं फॉर नाउ. Now I have introduced navigation bar. Now it is a web. Bro, why it is not working, I don't know. I have added this statement here, still is not working. Let me think. HTML anonymous element. There's an anonymous element reading, cannot read the properties of null. Okay, we can remove this. Navigation navbar menu and navbar menu. Go for navigation.js. We have nav toggle and navbar menu. Okay, this is the navbar menu. We have this nav menu. This nav menu, we are going for this nav menu. In this we have multiple classes, like we have navbar list. In this list we have categories, education, and then experiments. Okay, and drop down group healthcare, drop down item gaming accessories, gaming software, others. Okay, drop down item we have, then drop down items. Okay, after that we have a navbar profile. So when we are going for navbar menu and toggle, so nav menu and toggle, navbar menu is not present. It is not present in it do present here navbar menu, but it is not present in this is the class of navbar data, and this is a navbar menu. div dot new bar menu, and id will be new bar menu. Okay, now it is working. Now it is working fine, let as you can see. But one thing is there. When I go for there, okay, you can see ये फट रहा है कुछ ना कुछ. ये मेरा सर्च बॉक्स गायब हो गया इधर जाते ही. 1410 मीडिया क्वेरीज एट 1410. माई नेव बार विल, मेरा नेव बार गायब हो चुका है और मेरा सर्च बॉक्स बहुत छोटा हो गया है. ठीक है, नेव बार then we have a search container. We can give this class as a search container or not, and we can, okay, let us see it working or not. Okay, it is now working perfectly fine. Okay, but whenever my media query is going, as you can see, as it is goes down, now it is perfectly fine, but when it is goes down, my search bar is like I have to see what is going to happen in okay, as we are going for this, okay, our this menu is removed from here and it will go here. But okay, but what I have to do is for this page, it is a media query. Let me think about the solution. What we could do here, like it is removed from here and it is just going from first of all it is to, like we have, okay, we need to go for navigation.css and we have to just, because 1400 I think it is a very big screen. 1410 is not there. What was that? Okay, to inspect. It is 1200. 798 pixel. Explore. Okay, so what is this? Category bar. कैटेगरी बार इसमें है ही नहीं. कैटेगरी रैपर, कैटेगरी कुछ तो होगा. नेविगेशन डॉट सी एस एस में कैटेगरी इसमें क्यों होगी यार कैटेगरी? आई एम फूल. एक्सप्लोर में होगी ये तो कैटेगरी. हाँ, उसे तो मैं बाद में हैंडल कर लूँगा. फर्स्ट आई हैव टू हैंडल दिस. ओके, screen is too big, so let us see iPad here. Okay, in iPad it is looking like this. In iPad mini it is looking like this. Mini is 768, so I hope for 765 it should be. Okay, so 765. Okay, so up to 765 we can do this. Up to 765, 750 or 760. Okay, 750 we can do this. So for iPad mini 768. Okay, we have a 768. Okay, go for 760. So okay, everything is working fine, but now there is a problem. When I go for out, when I'm like out of the, so I have to make a CSS, make an internal CSS, that is navigation. For explore page, the display should not be none. Okay, so let's go for explore page. What is this? This is navigation navbar menu. Okay, when the display is going out of uh, uh, 760, 760, then my navigation bar toggle, that is none. Okay, this is navigation bar menu. This is navigation menu, nav bar menu. Its position is stack. Okay, navigation bar menu should be, so nav bar menu, here it is. But when I'm going for this media queries, I just do the search container. Okay, when I'm going for explore.css, okay, go for explore.css, and I have to make a media queries of 768. Okay, this is 760. We have to go for dot search container, search wrapper or search container. Search container. So we have search container there, navigation.css, and where is my explore.css? So search container should be as it is. It's still not working. Where is my search container? Okay, its display is not display. What was that? Navigation. Okay, where is nav.css? It's opacity or 0, or what is? वो नज़र ही नहीं आ रहा इधर। सर्च कंटेनर ये रहा। तो और मैं इसकी स्टाइल देखूँ, यार go for above. ये कोई सी भी चीज़ नहीं लग रही इस पे. Now it is working fine. We have to do the opacity, that is 1. Okay, now we can see if we refresh it and we are going for here, search is not moving anywhere. I am able to search. I am able to. I am not able to search there. Why? Oh God. Okay, got it. But when I go here, I'm not able to search it. I'm not able to click it. Why? I am able to search. Okay, fine. But here I am not able to search it. It is due to something is. नेविगेशन मेन, यहाँ पे तो ये नहीं हटा है. नेविगेशन मेन्यू, नेविगेशन बार मेन्यू, दिस इज द थिंग. navigation bar, navigation bar menu, overflow auto. यार it is not working. I don't know why it is not working. explore.ejs कहाँ है मेरा? navigation.ejs सर्च कंटेनर की जगह मैंने इसी को सर्च कंटेनर बना दिया और इसी को नेविगेशन बार मेन्यू बना दिया। नेविगेशन बार मेन्यू तब किधर वर्क करेगा और उसके बाद सर्च कंटेनर ऐसे वर्क करेगा। तो जब मैं जाऊंगा इधर एक्सप्लोर, जब मैं जाऊंगा किधर navigation.css, बट इसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट है जो मैंने ऐड किया था तो उसकी अकॉर्डिंगली दूंगा। एक तो ये फाइल बड़ी जल्दी डिलीट हो जाती है। वेयर आर नेविगेशन एक्सप्लोर.css मैक्स विद व्हेन आर गोइंग फॉर मैक्स विद 600 760। डॉट सर्च कंटेनर डॉट, इसमें जो इनपुट है इनपुट ही मेरा इनपुट ही नहीं ले रहा है। यहाँ पर पता नहीं क्या दिक्कत आ गई है। आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम बट इट इज़ नॉट टेकिंग द इनपुट। ये हिडन है क्या चीज़? नेव बार मेन, ओके वी आर एबल टू okay I need to check something. Okay, it is working fine here. As we go down, 760, as we down for 760, it is not working. It is visible but it's not working. 760. So This is the 760 I have done. मैंने इसकी ओपेसिटी ही 1 करी है यार, मैंने इसकी ओपेसिटी ही 1 करी है, बट हाउ? लेट मी नेविगेशन डॉट सी एस है। जब 760 से नीचे जाता है तो ये वर्क क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? आई डोंट नो। यहाँ पर क्या दिक्कत है? नेविगेशन बार, जो मेरा नेविगेशन मेन्यू है ना, ये मेरा नेविगेशन नेव बार मेन्यू, इसकी विड्थ भी ऑटो है, हाइट भी ऑटो है, विजिबल, पैडिंग ब्लॉक इनिशियल, बट this is nav bar menu and where it is going I don't know. Nav bar main, nav bar main, I have to go for see, go for GPT. This is css for in nav.css and explore.css I do have. ये रहा 760। अरे यार, and element is this navigation.ejs. Go for navigation.ejs. This is the elements. Now at 760 input is visible but not taking input values. What is reason and how to fix it? मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आया ये क्यों नहीं ले रहा है। सर्च इनपुट सर्च क्यों नहीं ले रहा? ओके, so in this this element is affected by dot menu css which is written mobile menu toggle behavior, which is written for mobile menu toggle behavior, not for inputs. Okay, dot menu pointer reverse none, opacity is 0, dot navigation bar ये कब मिला? It is usually applied in mobile view to hide menu until toggle. ये तो कहीं है ही नहीं, ऐसा तो नेविगेशन बार सी एस एस में मैंने कहीं देखा ही नहीं है। सॉरी, इसमें नहीं, इसमें है कहीं, है 2 बार है। एक तो यहाँ आ रहा है, ओपेसिटीज की 0 कर रखे, पॉइंटर इवेंट नन। इसकी ओपेसिटी 0 क्यों कर रखी है? न्यू बार मेन्यू है ना, इसको 1 करते हैं ओपेसिटी को एंड देखते हैं कि क्या डिफरेंस है। मेरे पास यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है। पॉइंटर इवेंट्स नन कर रखा है इधर। ओके, वैन जब मैं यहाँ पे जाऊँगा, सो पॉइंटर इवेंट्स को ऑल कर दो। ओके, सो जब मैं ओके, वर्किंग फाइन। पॉइंटर इवेंट्स को ऑल कर दो, सो इट विल वर्क and it is working now fine. Opacity makes it visible. Pointer event is still active, so we have to do a pointer event auto. But there is a design simple. We are using but my issue is in some pages I don't want that menu. Instead I want that search. बात तो सही बोल रहा है। यहाँ पे मैं इनको कंबाइन क्यों ही कर रहा हूँ मेन बात के, मैं एक जावा स्क्रिप्ट के चक्कर में पूरे कोड डिज़ाइन की ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा हूँ। बट कोई नहीं, इट इज़ वर्किंग, तो कोई दिक्कत है नहीं, हम बाद में इसको सही कर लेंगे। ओके, नाउ इट इज़ वर्किंग फाइन। मुझे इसकी ऊपर को थोड़ा ऊपर करना पड़ेगा, व्हेन एवर इट गोज़ फॉर, वो हम बाद में कर लेंगे। पहले हम देखते हैं इसने पेज बनाया नहीं बनाया। सो हेयर वी हैव HTML डाउनलोड फाइल, CSS डाउनलोड फाइल एंड JS डाउनलोड फाइल। So we have 3 files here: profile.script, profile.html and profile.css. So we have profile and profile. We have to put all these into go open. Where views? क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे क्यों आ गई है? इतना स्लो वर्क कर रहा है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई। डाउनलोड से तो अटकी ना। ओके, profile.html, not HTML, it will be .ejs. It will go in this views. profile.js and public, both the files will go into public, and css will go in css folder and profile will go in profile folder. We have distributed. Now let us see. So we have to design our app.js. It is too big project, like you see how many such big files. So I have to go for profile, current is basically a profile. Okay, we have done with this, so we can cancel all, and we are going for profile.css. We can remove this and we can remove this as well, not now. And we have a profile.js, and then we have profile.ejs. Okay, we have to link the css, that is css/profile, and we have to link the javascript, that is /js/profile. And let us execute this. First we have to restart our server, as we have done some routing. Okay, service is live again, and we are going for profile, and here we have a profile. It's like banner, it's like John Doe, name, passionate, following, follower. About this kind of these things. And we have posts, we can see all the post here. Add three feature, posts by time and by popularity. To feature post, order post. About ये क्या मतलब है जब मैं हैशटैग डाल रहा हूँ? As we go for YouTube, and we are going for something. No, do not open YouTube. We can't open YouTube. Okay. It is good, but it is not that profile picture. जो मेरी प्रोफाइल पिक्चर होगी dot slash images slash default one dot png. default default profile pic, can't we copy this? Okay, we have to go for okay. This is latest and this is by popularity. Slash images slash default default dot png. Okay, default one dot png. Okay. Do correct css. Profile name is hiding behind Profile. Profile name is hiding behind the profile. Profile name is hiding behind the profile pic. ओके वी हैव डन. सो आज का हमारा टास्क भी पूरा हो गया. इट्स लाइक प्रोफाइल पेज भी बन गई एंड प्रोफाइल पेज ही बनाया एक्चुअली. अभी क्रिएट पेज तो बना ही नहीं. इसको सेंटर में रखते हैं ना. ओके. I'm going to explore it. We got the multiple cards there. And there's a feature. You will get the top creators. You will get the trending now. And okay, I think now just go for, now we can go for a fresh start. Now create a page, it is Sonnet na, create a page to upload the blocks using HTML, CSS and JS. Now what would be the functionality? Let's keep it simple so that user can, सिंपल रखते हैं, है ना, अपलोड की उसको सिंपल मीन्स वी विल लेटर, जब भी टाइम मिलेगा अपन को तो कर लेंगे, क्योंकि अभी इसमें ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है फ्रंट एंड में ही. सो वी हैव लॉस्ट डे टुडे. सो क्रिएट ए पेज टू अपलोड द ब्लॉक्स हैविंग having a title and body content and another option to have a, to attach a text file or .md file. Okay, और क्या होगा, मतलब वो फोटो अपलोड करेगा, they will upload thumbnail, titles, and there will be md file. दैट्स इट. उसके बाद हम लाइक फ्रॉम मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स, संडे से अपन बैक एंड डिज़ाइनिंग स्टार्ट कर देंगे इसकी, प्रॉपर बैक एंड डिज़ाइनिंग. इसमें फ्रंट एंड को तो हमने थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ भी किया है, क्योंकि आई डोंट लाइक टू बैक एंड फ्रंट एंड वाला पार्ट. बट जब भी अपन बैक एंड बनाएंगे ना, तो जब भी मैं बैक एंड बनाऊँगा, सो बैक एंड में हम पूरा लॉजिकली और पूरा इनिशियली अच्छे से करेंगे. स्केलेबल सिस्टम, वी हैव टू डिज़ाइन अ स्केलेबल सिस्टम and we will use the technology accordingly. If we don't, then we will learn the technologies, but we have to make a scalable project on this technology. So we have to add all the stuff, payment interface, okay, authorization, multi-factor authentication, okay, Google OAuth. We will implement all these things. Okay, we have quite like multiple pages, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, around 11 pages. Okay, but it is working fine. So later when we will learn the React or something technology, we will convert this into React architecture, but for now it is plain HTML, CSS, JS, and it's quite good, I think. But where is CSS and JS? आई थिंक इसने इंटरनली CSS और JS को लिख लिया है. लेट अस सी ये कैसा है. लेट अस सी ये देखते हैं ये कैसा है. ओके. Upload blog post, blog title, and choose your txt file. Blog upload is not good, not that good. We have to give it something. Okay, also add an option to have a thumbnail image. Either we can store it or just do the link. सो अब अपने इमेज को डेटाबेस पे नहीं रख सकते. हमें इमेज के लिए कुछ और चाहिए और उसके लिए हमें URLs क्रिएट करने पड़ेंगे. And then we are going to save those URLs on our databases because image को store करना that will be very costly. Instead we will store the result and we will upload the images on some other third party URLs. Okay. It's been 1:28. अपलोड डॉट सी एस एस इसमें ऑलरेडी है. रिप्लेस. Go for perplexity. index.html. index.html हमें इसका सोर्स चाहिए एंड जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट एंड जस्ट /css/upload and /js/upload. And I have to make another route for upload. Now just restart our server. Just go for upload. Okay, and the ratio should be ratio of image. रेशियो क्या होता है हम प्रीव्यू कर लेंगे. शुड बी 16:9. ओके, वो तो अपन बाद में देख लेंगे. इस प्लेस को डिज़ाइन अपन बाद में करेंगे लास्ट में, क्योंकि हमें बस ब्लॉग का टाइटल देना है और ब्लॉग के अंदर कंटेंट देना है. ओके, एंड सब मार्कअप पॉइंट देने होंगे एंड जस्ट डू द एमडी फाइल. profile.upload.css. where is upload.css? The background should not be this. Background should be white. Okay, and black and white. Black. It is good now. Just we are going to add our navigation bar and some stuffs. So we are going to there is an include in statement and there is a select partials, partials, and inside those partials we have to script scripts, and I have to add the footer and then I have to add the header. Okay, and then I have to add the div. Navigation bar. Then I have to contain the div dot body container. This is a div. It will contain all the stuff that is inside this body. We will format the document and just see the result. Here it is. The container is quite, do not use this body. Margin bottom will be 10 pixel. Okay, and margin top will be around 50 pixel. Hundred pixel. It is good. Upload blog post. Okay, everything, the UI is complete. We have upload page. Okay, we have to upload section. Okay, we do not have now edit, for now edit, but we do have an upload section. Okay, we have profile, we have this menu bar, we have this, and we have our home, and then we have our login button, sign up, explore, everything we have now. We can explore this, we can choose anything, and we can read this. So for read page, what was the blog, that was the blog page we have, and here we can read it. We can change font from here, Times Arial, default. You can increase or decrease the font size, we can increase or decrease the line. Okay, everything is working fine, so we can move toward our backend architecture. Okay, here the cards are not we have to, from backend I have to, okay, that's for today. We will, okay,